Hello family, this is Beverly Black, and today we are going to be making a 2-ingredient pumpkin muffins. So stay tuned so you can learn how to make this. And how is everybody doing today? I pray that everybody is blessed and doing well. So stay tuned so you can learn how to make this. Well, this has been a day. I made the video for these pumpkin muffins that are only 2 ingredients. I can't find the video. I don't know what I did. But I'm not throwing this away. The part that I do have, I'm going to go ahead and upload it. In this video for these 2-ingredient pumpkin muffins, all you needed was a box of spice cake mix, and I used Duncan Hines, and 1 can of 100% pure pumpkins. Don't use the pie filling because the pie filling will make it too sweet. So you have to get the pure pumpkin. Just mix them together. That's all you have to do. These 2 ingredients right here. The cake mix and the pumpkin mix. Mix it together. Then spoon it into your muffin pan. Have your oven set at 350 degrees. Bake it 20 to 25 minutes or until you insert a toothpick or whatever you use to check your cakes to see when they are done. Just check it then, and if it comes out clean, your muffins are done. You can also, as an extra bonus, you can put in a 1/2 cup of raisin, a 1/2 cup of pecans, a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, whichever one you want, or you don't have to put any in. Today I put in a 1/2 cup of raisin as an added bonus. See? Empty, empty. But here are the muffins. You can also put cream cheese on it in the morning when you're having your coffee and you want to have some muffins. You can put some cream cheese on it and eat it, or just eat them plain. My muffins have raisins inside of them. I am so sorry that you missed where I was mixing it together. Your consistency will be thick for this because all you're putting in is those 2 ingredients, the pumpkins and the cake mix. Don't add anything else, and bake them. That's all you have to do, and they are delicious. Here is one that I have broken open so you can see on the inside. You can see the goodness. They are delicious. You can put some butter on it or some apple butter, whatever you like. I am so sorry I messed up on the mixing, but I'm not going to let the devil defeat me. Here it is, the end results. Everyone be blessed, and thank you so much for watching my video. And forgive me for my senior moment. Have a blessed day. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are His masterpiece, and our God does not make any junk. Be blessed, everyone, and thank you for coming by.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing